Today in this video, you are going to learn how to find anyone email address for free for $0. We are already investing in a lot of money in our outreaches to find the clients for our services. So investing in email finder tools which are costing like $100 per month is completely unfair. So today in this video, I will show you a trick, a best hack ever, so you can find anyone's email address of your leads, your prospects completely for free. So let's dive in. Open your browser and type Amplify. Click the first one. Create an account with your email address. It is free to create. I already have my account, so I'm gonna go to my console. So there is an Amplify scraper called LinkedIn Email Finder Verified Emails at Scale. So there are so many actors inside this Amplify. So Amplify is just a marketplace for developers to post their scrapers to earn money. So all the scrapers cost money, but this scraper here is free. Like how this works. So we need to take this API credentials of this Amplify scraper and we need to upload it into our automation platforms like make.com. So let's do that real quick. So I will click the API option over here and go to the API endpoints. Scroll down, run actor synchronously and get datasets items. So we need to copy this. So open this, it will show your API key of your platform. So copy this. Now go back, click plus, search for HTTP node and make a request. Authentication type as no authentication and the URL pasted that you just copied. And the method as post since they have mentioned it over here. Now close this, go to the JSON and copy this small JSON code. Once copied, go back to the make.com again, scroll down, and for the body content type, change it to the application JSON and the body input method as JSON string. Now paste the JSON code that you have just copied. Now it asks the LinkedIn profile URL as the input. So in my Google Sheet, I have so many leads and each lead has a default profile URL, the profile URL of their LinkedIn account. So I need to give this as the input. So let me remove this and scroll down and default profile URL. And between, if you're wondering where I get these leads from, so I scrape these leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator using a Phantom Buster scraper. And once I have scraped all the leads from the Sales Navigator, I have pasted into Google Sheet just to keep everything organized. And I have added it into my make.com to search those leads once again so I can do the operations from there. So once this is done, just save it. And I will rename this as free email finder. I'm gonna save this and run once. So it is second lead, third lead. So how many leads? So for example, if you have 100 leads in your Google Sheet, it's gonna operate for all the 100 leads. Execution is completed. So let's check our outputs. So let me open, let's check for the first lead. So data, 1. So it found the email address for this. So this is his LinkedIn URL. And with that just one input, it found a completely verified email. His email is this, and let's check for the second lead. And for the second lead, the email is empty. That basically means there is no email, and that's fine. Email finders don't have 100% success rate of finding the email addresses. And it also depends on the niche. And in average, most email finding tools have a finding rate of 50 to 70% max. And operation 3, and now the third lead got an email, a verified email. And for the fourth operation, another email, as you can see. And for the fifth lead, again, the email is empty, and that's fine. For the sixth lead, another email. And these are the verified email, guys. No need to do another verification for this. So that's fine. So with this method, you can find anyone's email address for free. And now the trick here is if I go to the Apify and go to the pay per event, it does cost money. So to run this active for one lead, it's gonna operate $0.001. And if the email is found, it's gonna consume $0.008. Yeah, it's a very low money. But when you create a free account with Amplify, Amplify provides you with $5 of free credits every single month. Yes, every single month. So if you observe at left bottom corner, I have $5 of free credits. And this gonna limit the resets on February 23rd. So once my $5 is consumed, and again the next month, it's gonna refill it. So there is no issue in this. So with this $5, how many emails we can find? Let's calculate it. So just let's assume 0.009 per lead. So and for the $5, you can find up to emails of 500 leads, more than 500 leads. And that is insane, right? And you can keep on doing this every single month. And if you have more than 500 leads in your CRM, then just simply create another. So you can use temp mails. If you have multiple email accounts, that's more than good. You can keep on creating accounts, and you can keep on updating this HTTP nodes once it is over. So you can keep on using the free trials. And again, even though, so let's say if you have 5 email accounts and you have created the Amplify account for 5 different accounts, then you can use, so you can completely use it for 2000. So you can find 2500 emails every single month. And that's insane. Now let me unlink this and keep it over in my System 3 workflow. If you don't know about System 3 workflow, it's in my Discord community. So it's a workflow where you can get the clients for free. And it's a and with this workflow, I have closed more than 15 of my clients for monthly retainer. And I have created a free course on how you can do this on your own for free. It's in my Discord community, link in description. So let's attach this and attach to this. Oh, wait. Let me keep the trigger over here. Let me delete this, delete anyways, unlink this, keep it over here, attach, and anything else we need to update. Yeah, this. No need of domain finder. And let me unlink this, email finder, delete this. And for the error handler, error, attach this and delete this. And for the email, so inside the filters, so I need to keep the email variable. So the email variable is in the data email. Save. And this verification filter is not required because all the emails found are already verified. So cancel this, and here keep the email variable. Save. That's it. And you need to also edit the email variable in the add into CRM and also into the Google Drive. Let me do that real quick. And this is the free System 3. So the reason why I am using this tool is because the free email finder that I have told you about in my previous video. So in their backend, they have increased the security. So we no longer can bypass and hack their email finder tool. So this is an alternative. You can use this.